Well, the iPhone 16 lineup is here, and if you're looking for the best case for that new iPhone of yours, and you want to see which case will be a good choice for that new camera control button as well, then stick around as I'll be covering a variety of iPhone 16 cases that have different designs when using that new button. What's up everyone, welcome back to Tech Up. So it's that time of the year when a new iPhone comes out, and if you're getting one, you're most likely deciding to figure out which case is going to be the one to get. Well, after trying a few cases already on my iPhone 16 Pro Max, the new camera button may be a factor in which case you'll get. So in this video, I'm going to be going over one case that offers a regular cutout, another case that offers a camera control button on it, and Apple's clear case that also comes with their own version of an integrated camera button in order to see which one truly is better when using the new button on the iPhone 16. But throughout this whole review, I'll also go over the protection, fit, and grip of these cases and let you know what the magnetic strength is like on them since all of them are MagSafe cases. So getting right into the review, the first thing that I'll cover is the protection on these cases, and that will stand out right away. Overall, when comparing them side by side, the UB Mag Slim Clear case from Supcase and the Spigen Enzo Aramid seem to offer the best overall protection for the phone. Both covered all the edges of the iPhone and with full lip coverage on the front, and great camera protection on the back. As for the Apple Clear case, it didn't entirely offer full protection on the front, and Apple has seemed to keep it that way with the bottom part being exposed for a while now. However, this Clear case definitely offers no flex on the front, while the others certainly do. As for the fit of these cases, the UB Mag Slim Clear case and the Spigen Enzo offered a nice solid fit, and they did require a bit of effort to put them on or take them off, while the Apple Clear case was a breeze to put on and take off. But I did notice, and it's been a thing in the past, and that's that the case really doesn't offer a snug fit, especially with the bottom corners of the case having the tendency to be easily pushed out of place. Now, when it came down to the grip on all of them, for the most part the grip was as expected. They all offered a smooth or slick grip when using them. As for the design on all these cases, the UB Mag Slim Clear case with its polycarbonate exterior and clear back panel offers a nice thin design with a protective bumper. Meanwhile, the Spigen Enzo Aramid case has a military-grade Aramid fiber design, and the Apple case offers that same old clear polycarbonate look. Now, in terms of the buttons on the UB Mag Slim case, they are slim but nice and clicky. Same goes for the Spigen Enzo buttons. However, with them, they offer a nice clicky feel, and the buttons don't protrude as much as the other cases. As for the Apple Clear case buttons, well, to me, they are still a little stiff, especially the power button. And that's something I encountered when I tested out Apple's Clear case last year for the iPhone 15. Apple just seems to not care with improving it. Same goes with keeping the bottom cutout wide open, unlike the other two cases that don't exhibit that. And I gotta say, the cutouts for the speaker and port are much better on the other cases. Now, before I start to cover the camera control button on these cases, if you're wondering which one offers great magnetic strength on the back for Magsafe Accessories, I can assure you that there was one that came out on top with its strength, and that was the UB Mag Slim case, after going over several shake tests. As for the other ones, they did hold up pretty well, but when it came down to magnetically holding a power bank on the Apple Clear case, it struggled, and it still goes to show that Apple's magnetic ring is still pretty average with its magnetic strength. Anyways, from the Gauss meter readings, the Supcase came out on top with the strongest magnets, followed by the Spigen Enzo Aramid case, which offers more magnetic strength than it previously did when I tested it out several years ago. However, I still haven't gone over the camera control buttons to really determine which case would be the best one, and I wanted to cover that in detail now. So, after a series of tests on all these cases, to me the Apple Clear case's camera control button personally felt the best when using it. It felt more responsive and tactile when compared to the others, and that makes sense since Apple knows how the button works, therefore creating a button cover that works best with it. However, when it came down to using it when the button was wet, because let's be honest, there will probably be scenarios where we'll use this button in a somewhat rainy environment, then the Supcase seemed to offer better control. Now, the capacitive button is not as snappy when it's dry when using it, unlike Apple's Clear case camera button, but it just felt like you had better control when it was wet. Maybe those 46 copper conductors on the capacitive button make a difference, and it does a better job when the button's wet. As for the Spigen Enzo with its cutout, in my opinion, it came in second when using it when it wasn't wet, and the last out of the three when it got wet when I had to use it. Overall, this is what I experienced from all these tests on the camera control button, and I hope it helps you in determining which case you'd want to get after listening to me talk about these buttons from my experience. Well, after all of that, you're probably like, when is this guy gonna tell me which iPhone 16 case out of these three is the best? And the answer is,
just say it!
It depends. So, if you're someone that is looking for a case that offers the best camera button experience, I gotta say it's the Apple Clear case. However, if you're looking for great magnetic strength and protection, then the Supcase would be the best. Now, if you want a case that offers the best design, looks, and grip without the best camera control button experience, then the Spigen Enzo Aramid case would be the best. Therefore, it depends on what you're looking for. Overall, all of these tend to leave pretty good fingerprint smudges on them, and if you're looking for cases without that, then check out my recent review on the best iPhone leather cases right up here. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of these cases, and which one you would consider picking up for your iPhone 16. Voice your opinions in the comments below, and if you like the review, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone case reviews. By the way, if you like any of these cases, be sure to click on the links to them down in the description below to help the channel out. Alrighty, that will do it. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you back here for another review.